The cosmos beckons. Vast and mysterious, it holds secrets. Secrets waiting to be unlocked. What wonders lie hidden in its depths? Think about the endless expanse above. Imagine the possibilities. What mysteries captivate your imagination? Share your thoughts. We stand on the precipice of discovery, ready to delve into the unknown. Together we'll explore the universe's grand tapestry. From the dawn of humanity, we've gazed at the stars, asking questions, seeking answers, driven by an insatiable curiosity, a thirst for knowledge that defines us. The pursuit of understanding unites us. It transcends borders and cultures. It's a testament to our shared human spirit, our desire to comprehend the cosmos. But the universe guards its secrets closely. It teases us with glimpses of its wonders, challenging us to unravel its mysteries. What scientific enigma keeps you up at night? What puzzle of the cosmos do you long to solve? Science is our compass, guiding us through the darkness, helping us make sense of the universe's complexities. Every question we ask is a step forward, a chance to illuminate the unknown, to expand our understanding of our place in the cosmos. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, we strive to comprehend the intricate workings of the universe. The pursuit of knowledge is a collaborative endeavor, a journey we embark on together, sharing our insights, challenging our assumptions. Curiosity is contagious. It sparks conversations, it ignites imaginations, it fuels the engine of discovery. Your questions are important, your insights are valuable. Your engagement is crucial to our collective journey of exploration. Share your thoughts, your ideas, your passions. Let your curiosity shine through. Become an active participant in the unfolding cosmic narrative. Together, we can create a community of learning, a space where wonder thrives, and where the pursuit of knowledge knows no bounds. A tapestry of discoveries. Throughout history, we've made remarkable strides. From the earliest days of human curiosity, we've sought to understand the world around us. Our ancestors gazed at the stars, wondering about their place in the cosmos, unveiling the secrets of the universe one by one. The invention of the telescope allowed us to peer into the vastness of space, revealing celestial wonders previously unseen. Similarly, the microscope opened up the hidden world of the very small, showing us the intricate details of life. From the laws of motion, articulated by Sir Isaac Newton, to which laid the foundation for classical mechanics, to the groundbreaking work of Albert Einstein, who redefined our understanding of space and time with his theory of relativity, to the structure of DNA, discovered by James Watson and Francis Crick, which unlocked the secrets of genetic information and revolutionized biology and medicine. Each discovery builds upon the last, creating a cumulative body of knowledge. The work of countless scientists, thinkers, and explorers has contributed to this ever-growing tapestry, weaving a tapestry of knowledge that spans generations. From the ancient scholars of Greece and Egypt, to the Renaissance thinkers who reignited the flame of inquiry, to the modern-day researchers pushing the boundaries of what we know. And yet, for every answer we find, new questions arise. Each discovery opens up new avenues of inquiry, new mysteries to solve. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we have yet to understand. The universe is a puzzle box with infinite layers. Each layer we peel back reveals another, more complex one beneath. The quest to understand the cosmos is a never-ending journey, inviting us to delve deeper, to explore further. Whether it's the depths of the ocean or the far reaches of space, there is always more to discover. The spirit of exploration drives us to push beyond our limits. As we traverse the deeper reaches of the cosmos, we must not forget the things which define us, the purpose for which we live for so long. The quest for knowledge is an ongoing adventure, a journey without end. Every step forward brings new challenges and new opportunities. It's a path filled with both triumphs and setbacks, but always moving forward. And it's a journey we're all on together. Collaboration and shared knowledge are key. Scientists, researchers, and thinkers from all over the world contribute to this collective endeavor. Together, we weave the tapestry of discoveries, each thread adding to the rich fabric of human understanding. Section 1. 6. Igniting curiosity. Illuminating minds. Education is the key. It unlocks the doors to understanding. It empowers us to explore the universe with informed minds. By fostering a love of learning, we inspire future generations. We equip them with the tools they need to unravel the cosmos' remaining mysteries. Science education is not just about memorizing facts. It's about cultivating critical thinking, problem-solving, and learning. And a sense of wonder. It's about nurturing the next generation of explorers, thinkers, and innovators. The ones who will push the boundaries of human knowledge even further. The journey of exploration continues. The cosmos is vast and ever-evolving. It stretches beyond our imagination, filled with countless stars, planets, and galaxies, each holding secrets waiting to be uncovered. There's always something new to discover. Every day, scientists and explorers push the boundaries of our knowledge, revealing new wonders and expanding our understanding of the universe. A new mystery to unravel, a new phenomenon to study, whether it's the enigmatic beauty of a distant nebula or the ancient artifacts that tell the story of our past. The quest for knowledge is unending, a new frontier to explore, from the uncharted territories of distant planets to the hidden depths of our own oceans. The spirit of exploration knows no bounds, from the depths of our oceans, where marine biologists uncover the secrets of coral reefs and underwater ecosystems, to the farthest reaches of space, where astronauts and space probes venture into the unknown, seeking to understand the cosmos and our place within it. The spirit of exploration drives us forward. It compels us to launch space shuttles, to trek through dense jungles, and to brave the most challenging environments on Earth and beyond, pushing the limits of what's possible. In high-tech laboratories, scientists work tirelessly to make groundbreaking discoveries, while mountaineers scale the highest peaks, driven by the same desire to conquer the unknown. We stand on the shoulders of giants. The achievements of past explorers and scientists have paved the way for our current endeavors, inspiring us to reach even greater heights. Inspired by the pioneers who came before us, we continue their legacy, driven by the same insatiable curiosity and determination that has always defined humanity, driven by the same insatiable curiosity that has always defined humanity, from inventors creating new technologies to children gazing at the stars. The desire to explore and discover is a fundamental part of who we are. The journey of discovery is never-ending. As we look to the future, we see endless possibilities for exploration and innovation, each step bringing us closer to understanding the mysteries of the universe. And it's a journey we're all invited to participate in, whether through scientific research, technological innovation, or simply a sense of wonder and curiosity. We all have a role to play in the ongoing adventure of exploration. Stay curious, stay engaged. In a world filled with endless possibilities, curiosity is the key that unlocks the door to new adventures and discoveries. The universe is full of wonder. From the tiniest particles to the vast expanse of galaxies, there is so much to explore and understand. Every star, every planet, and every phenomenon in the cosmos holds a story waiting to be discovered. Don't let the wonders pass you by. Embrace your curiosity. Whether it's through reading a book, peering through a telescope, or simply taking a walk in nature, there are countless ways to feed your inquisitive mind. Each moment of curiosity brings you closer to the mysteries of the universe. Ask questions, seek answers, and never stop exploring. The pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong journey. In classrooms, laboratories, and even in your own backyard, there are endless opportunities to learn and grow. Write down your thoughts, conduct experiments, and always be on the lookout for new information. Engage with the world around you. Read books, watch documentaries, attend lectures. These activities not only expand your knowledge, but also connect you with like-minded individuals who share your passion for learning. Libraries, online platforms, and educational institutions are treasure troves of information waiting to be explored. Immerse yourself in the wonders of science and the cosmos. Visit science museums, attend planetarium shows, and participate in workshops. These experiences provide hands-on learning and a deeper understanding of the world around us. The more you immerse yourself, the more you will appreciate the intricacies of our universe. Share your passion with others, whether it's through giving presentations, sharing articles, or teaching children. Spreading your enthusiasm for science and discovery can inspire others to embark on their own journeys of exploration. Your passion can ignite a spark in others, encouraging them to stay curious and engaged. Inspire those around you to look up at the stars and dream big. Stargazing sessions, educational outings, and family activities can foster a sense of wonder and curiosity in everyone. By sharing these experiences, you help others see the beauty and vastness of the universe, encouraging them to dream beyond the horizon. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know. This realization is not a setback, but a motivation to keep pushing the boundaries of our understanding. Every question answered leads to new questions, and every discovery opens up new avenues of exploration. And that's what makes the journey of discovery so exhilarating. The thrill of uncovering new knowledge, the joy of understanding something previously unknown, and the excitement of continuous learning make the pursuit of curiosity a lifelong adventure. So, stay curious, stay engaged, and let your journey of discovery never end. The grand revelation awaits. The universe holds its breath. Secrets tremble on the verge of discovery. A grand revelation awaits, and you're invited to witness it firsthand. Stay tuned, keep your eyes on the stars. The cosmos is about to unveil something truly extraordinary, something that will change our understanding of the universe forever. Prepare to be amazed.